Hi y'all, my name is Deborah Mizrahi and I'm running for NSHLA Secretary for spring semester. I'm really sorry that I'm not able to make it tonight, but I'm actually tutoring with juvenile delinquents through a program through College Park Scholars, and it's weekly and it's required for me. I just want to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm from Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm a second-year student here at Maryland. I'm actually majoring in hearing and speech sciences and planning to minor in special education and Jewish studies possibly. I've been involved in many clubs and organizations around campus, and I've taken a few leadership roles as well. I'm currently the Jewish Student Union Social Action Chair on their cabinet, as well as the Maryland Images Tour Guide, and I'm also an active member of Fremantle Honor Society. And in high school, I was really active in my youth group as a Southeastern Regional Vice President for over 17 states for social action. I would love to be the Secretary for NSHLA. I'm really organized and a hardworking student, and I'm very determined and conscientious to get the job done as needed and get it done well. I've been a note-taker for other students at school in a few different classes, and plus I have very neat handwriting. You can see for yourself. Also, I would love to help the growing awareness of this organization at Maryland, and I really think that NSHLA is an amazing organization. And I want others to know about the organization around campus, especially those who are interested in majoring in hearing and speech sciences. I think that being part of the student-run coalition is really amazing, and I've been learning about it ever since my sister became a speech pathologist in Chicago, and she told me about NSHLA and Asha. She's been a part of it for many years, and I thought it was really interesting to get a part of it as well. I think that being on board of a national organization like this will be a great opportunity to show my enthusiasm about the major and about speech pathology and audiology in general, and I want to help NSHLA become even better at Maryland. I think that I'll do a good job at taking notes, summarizing the meetings, and sending out reminders before they occur. I really hope that even though I'm not there tonight, y'all can help support me and vote for me as the NSHLA Secretary. Thank you.